everyone, welcome to Mishi Arts. Today we are going to learn this simple, very easy granny square with the scrap of yarn you have. You can make these little tiny granny squares all together, join them, and you can also applique them on anything you like. And it's very simple and easy, so let's get started. You will be needing a 3.5 mm hook and the colors you need. I'm using these three color contrasts. The center will be this pink color, and then I'll be using this yellow and the pink, the dark pink, or you can also see it a shocking pink color. So let's get started. For this, what you have to do, you simply have to make a slip knot, and you have to make chain 4. 1, start it again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We are going to make a circle of this 4 chains by giving a slip stitch into our very first chain, yarn over and go through all the 2 loops on your hook. And now we have a small circle over here. In this circle we are going to make, in this circle, let's get started. The first row or the first round you are going to make 2 chains. These 2 chains will be counted as our first double crochet, and in this circle we are going to make 3 double crochets. So in total we will have 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th one. The chain 2 will be counted as our first double crochet, and the rest I have made 3 more double crochets. After that we are going to chain 2 and make, in the same circle, make 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th one. 2 chains, and after 2 chains we did 4 double crochets. Again we are going to chain 2 and make 4 double crochets into the same circle. Chain 2. So now we have 1, 2, and this is the 3rd corner of our square. Now we are going to make the last set of our double crochets, that is 4 double crochets. Three, and this is 4, and chain 2. So now in total we have 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th corner of our square. Where are we going to join? We are going to join in this and make a slip stitch. So our first square is completed. We are going to attach the second color, that is our yellow color. Now this is my way to attach the second color to my work. How do I do it? I simply yarn over the new color and pull it through the loop of the last color and pull my pink color. So it is now fixed. And now I'm going to hold it like this and take both of these through my work so that they are not visible. Starting with chain 2, and we are going to work 1, 2 and 3 double crochets. This double crochet will be these two chains will be count as our first double crochet. So we are going to work double crochet in every double crochet. These two chains will be count as our first double crochet and 3 more double crochets into the stitches. Now what we have to do at the corner in chain 2 space. In this chain 2 space, we are going to make 2 double crochets, chain 2, and once again in this same space we are going to make 2 double crochets. Moving on, we are going to work 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochets into the 4 double crochets of our previous row, or you can say our previous round. We have reached to our second corner, and in this second corner we are going to do the same. 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Join me back when you have finished your round, and over here I am going to explain you how to do the slip stitch into our very last stitch. So guys, I am here with the yellow round, and I have completed 1, 2, 3 and 4 corners, and after doing 2 double crochets, 2 chains and 2 double crochets into our last 2 chain space, we are going to slip stitch and complete our round into the stitch, very first stitch of our yellow color. So our second row is complete of our square. Now we are going to join the third color, that is our shocking pink, or you can say the dark pink. This is one of my favorite color. I usually like it, and I have so many dresses of it also. So let's get started. We have joined the color, chain 2, and what we have to do now? You simply have to make double crochets in all the stitches you see until you get to this corner, that is chain 2 space. So yarn over and start doing double crochets. Remember to take this yarn along with you, this tail along with you, so that it gives neatness to our work. Once I have completed all the stitches, now I have this 2 chain space over here. In this 2 chain space, what are we going to do? Now let me tell you one thing. When you reach to something and where you think that your yarn is secured, what you have to do, you have to cut this yarn so that it doesn't make any trouble or it doesn't disturbs you while you are doing your work. See, it gives a very neat look. Moving on, we are here to our corner, and in this corner in chain 2 spaces, what we have to do? We have to do 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets. This is our final round and the third round of our pink color, and this will be the last one, and after that we are going to fasten off. Now again, what we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 stitches over here, and in these 8 stitches we are going to do double crochets in all the 8 stitches. So join me back when you have finished this. I'll join you when I have reached here to this very last corner. So I am back with completing my 1, 2 and 3 corners and the fourth corner also. I have completed my fourth corner, and over here what you have to see, you have to be careful is that now see, you are having 2 stitches of your last row, that is the yellow row. So you have to do 2 double crochets into each. Sorry, 1 double crochet in each one. So 1 double crochet and the second double crochet. This will complete our round, and we are going to slip stitch and join our round, and that's it. You have completed your square. So now you have to cut your yarn. You can also leave a long tail if you want to sew on with add something, and or if you want to join, you can also leave a long tail. I'm leaving this much because it's enough for me. So this is it. I hope you found it useful, and do subscribe to my channel, give thumbs up, and also comment on my videos. Have a great day.